Good morning students. Welcome to the digital classes of Lalbagh Girls Intermediate College. This is Manna Spring and this lecture of mine is for class 12th and the subject is English. Children, today's lecture of mine is from short story section and the story which we are going to do today is An Astrologer's Day. This story, An Astrologer's Day, is written by R.K. Narayan. You know that who is an astrologer? Astrologer is a person who used to predict the future of a person by asking few questions to them. So, this story, Astrologer's Day, is written by R.K. Narayan. Rashipuram Krishna Swami Narayan, that is R.K. Narayan, is a famous story author in English and he was born in a small village in Madras in 1907. His stories are read in India as well as in abroad. His style is unique. He wrote one of the story, The Guide. For that, he was awarded the Sahitya Academy. Normally, he is in a habit of writing stories which has a religious background. So, R.K. Narayan is known for his stories which are of villages. So, this story is also of a village where the two boys used to live. This story belongs to two silly youngsters in a village, and one of them leaves his village with an anxiety that he has pushed the other one in the village and he has drawn that person in them. And believing that the person is dead, he left the village in anxiety and had become an astrologer, though he did not have any knowledge of astrology. But this was one of the profession which he could choose and was earning through this profession. So I am going to tell you the summary of this story. There was a boy who used to live in a village. Once he had a quarrel with his friend. He wounded the friend and then he pushed him into a well. He thought that he had killed his friend. He got afraid and left the village to settle in a far off place which was 200 miles from that place. He became an astrologer there. His business seat was under a tree in the middle of the town. It was a crowded marketplace by a roadside. The astrologer had little knowledge of astrology, yet he had a good business owing to his sharp guesswork. He drew out his answers by his patient listening his customers' own statement. He used to ask statements from the customers from which he could guess that what could be the future of that person. So he had a very sharp sense of guesswork. One evening, as the astrologer got ready to go home, a stranger came to him. He looked puzzled and he said that he had a serious problem. He and the astrologer settled terms of good payment if the astrologer would answer his problematic questions. The stranger wanted to know whether he would find the man who had wounded and pushed him into the well. The astrologer narrated the past life of the customer to him. He called the customer by his name. The astrologer told the customer that the person whom he had been searching was dead. Why he could tell all these things to the customer? Because he was the only person who had pushed him into the well. he asked the customer to go back to his village by the next available train. And he never wanted him to stay at that place and to search for that person who has thrown him in the well, because one or the other day he could know that the person was the astrologer himself. So he had advised him that not to come back to this place again, and he warned him that the stranger not to come there anymore to that place, because it would be a risky to his life. The astrologer went home late at night that day. He gave his earning from the stranger to his wife. He told his wife that the man whom he had been thinking dead was alive. Further, the man would never again come to the astrologer's town. The astrologer narrated the past story to his wife and thus felt relieved of his chronic anxiety. Then he went to have a sound sleep of relief. He could sleep that night because the anxiety which he had in his mind that he had killed someone was no more there in his mind, because today the customer which has come to him was the person whom he was thinking is dead, and he had resolved all the problems by telling that customer not to come that way, so that he may live in that place peacefully. So that was the day for the astrologer, when the queries of both the boys were solved. One could solve that who the man was who has drowned him in the well, and the other could know this thing, that the person whom he was thinking is dead is alive. So both of them got their answers and lived their life happily after. Now this was all about this story, An Astrologer's Day. Read this story from your textbook and do the question answers. Thank you.